Alright, I just got this Mina K satchel bag in today, convertible satchel diaper bag in the burgundy. It also comes in black and brown. I couldn't find hardly anything online as far as real life pictures or videos, so I wanted to do a quick review on it in case anyone is looking for it. More information about it. They just did a sale, and I believe it's still on sale for around, I think the burgundy was 75, 65, I can't remember exactly. And then the black and brown were, I think, $10 or $15 more. So I went with the burgundy. I don't really have a lot in burgundy. I thought it would be pretty for fall. So it is a faux leather satchel bag. It has two shoulder straps here. They're not super stiff, but it is a more structured bag. It's not super floppy, which I kind of like. Of course, it makes it just look a little more better for potentially being a work bag or something that you can carry even when your children are not with you, which is what this brand is all about, as far as not really looking like a diaper bag. It wants you to be able to use, they want you to be able to use the bag for past your children's younger years. So all of the hardware is a pretty yellow gold here. It does have this little tag on here, I think you could take off. One long zipper in the front. There's pockets on each side. I don't think they're quite big enough for a bottle or a sippy cup, but there are some places inside for that. You could probably squish maybe a small, like a really thin Dr. Brown's in there, but I think it's mostly just for slipping stuff down in there. Alright, on the back side, so it does have a large D-ring and then two smaller D-rings on the bottom. It comes with two straps, which I believe it's intended for one shoulder strap and then one strap to be looped through here to use as a backpack. But I think, because I'll probably use it as a backpack most of the time, or just use the shoulder handles, or the tote handles, is that I'll probably leave it like this just because it makes it for a little more comfortable back carry. And then it has a long zippered pocket here. I'm not gonna worry about, because I'm gonna go through it in a minute, which I don't think I actually put anything back here. You could slip a small wallet, keys back here or something. I mean, if you're gonna wear it on your back, you obviously don't want anything that's too bulky right here. All right, so let's see. So I have packed it for my 2-year-old. I'm actually being induced with our number 5 tomorrow, so I don't have it really packed for newborn stuff because I do have all of her stuff packed up in a hospital bag right now. I think that if you're strategic in packing, you could probably fit everything you need for 2 children, but I just have it packed for a 1-year-old. So on the side here, I have some antibacterial wipes, and get it out. They are a little tight on the side, especially now that I have it packed. Some Germex hand sanitizing spray. In the front, I did this kind of like as a mommy pocket. I've got, and so inside here, it's kind of hard to see because, like I said, it is packed right now, so all the outside pockets are pretty tight, but it's got some little compartments or some little pockets within the pocket, so you can kind of organize what you've got in here. I've just got deodorant on that side, a little nail clipper kit, mascara, gum. That's all I've got in there. So that's all I've got in the front there, so you can see. Looks like it's kind of bending right there, but all right, inside the bag. All right, so it looks pretty organized, and because you can see on the sides here, it's got a good bit of extra material, so it does open up pretty wide. It's kind of hard to do when I'm just doing it one-handed to show how wide it goes, but it does open up wide. It does come with this middle insert here. Like I said, it's really they market it for being able to use it with your children or not, and so they have the insert so that you can put all of your diapering needs in here, but you could just pull it out if you needed to either run to the bathroom or to pull it out so you don't have to carry that around if you don't have your child with you. So I'm going to actually pull that part out first, kind of show you what all I packed in here. Let me move the bag. Alright, so here is the little insert. It's just like a nylon material. It's got one zipper and 4 side pockets. On the front here, I've got the Whip Pouch or Y Pouch brand wipe holder. I've got 4 size 4 diapers. On the other side, I've got a bib, some Band-Aids, some Desitin, and sunscreen. And then on the inside, just because I already had it in here, I threw in a Jujube medium set piece that has a change of clothes. So pretty much anything that my daughter would need in a hurry, I put in this middle compartment. Alright, so then what else I've got in here? So I've got this is a Cherish brand from Amazon. This came in a set of these little mesh pockets that have they all clip together. I'm just using this one because I grabbed it from another bag. So it's got everything to entertain her in here and a Burger King coupon. But it's got colored pencils, a few books, stickers, paper. So that way we can just pull this out if we're sitting in a restaurant. Alright, now the one thing that this bag does not come with that I was a little disappointed with is it does not come with any kind of matching change pad. So I just grabbed a change pad from another bag, but it fit down in there pretty well. So inside, and I didn't use a lot of the internal organization here, but it's got one long pocket here with a, let's see, Velcro clasp. If I can keep it open here. It does have 2 bottle pockets on the sides. So it'd probably be the only place that you could actually put bottles, as the outsides are pretty tight. And I don't have any bottles right now. I did stick just some gum down in there. There's a pocket right here, and I threw her ballet slippers in there because they were in the diaper bag that I was transferred from. And there's one zipper pocket that I just put a few more mommy things in. I've got a chapstick and this little macaroon holder that I put Tums in because I am, like I said, still pregnant. Alright, so that is everything in the bag. So once it's emptied out, it's still pretty structured. You can see it stands up on its own. It does have the feet on the bottom to help it stand up and to keep the bottom of the bag clean. Let's see, let's do a size comparison. I took everything out of a Jujube Be Classy. So you can see it is about the same size as the Be Classy, but just with a good bit less external things going on. about the same internally. It's just a little more simplistic on the outside, and it does have the backpack straps as an option. So if you're looking for something, if you like Jujube already and you really like the size of the Classy, but you like the backpack straps of the BFF, this might be a good option for you if you're looking for something that could also work as a work bag or a tote. Here, I can do one more size comparison. I've got another bag here. So this is a knockoff fawn, but it is the same size as the regular full-size fawn, to give you an idea. So about the same size there. It's, of course, the fawn's a little bit taller, and the I'm not sure if you say Mina K or Mina K, it is a little bit wider. Let me turn it to the side so you can see it's from the side. Of course, the fawn's a lot thicker, but it's not a super thin bag either. It does open up pretty wide. So there you go. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comments below, and I would be glad to answer them. Thank y'all.